Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn straight lines together, step by step. We study straight lines on the coordinate plane, how to measure steepness with slope, the different forms of a line's equation, and distances and angles. The slope m is the rise over the run between 2 points, and equals the tangent of the angle the line makes with the x-axis. Parallel lines share a slope. Perpendicular slopes multiply to -1. A line has several equivalent equations. Slope-intercept, y equals mx plus c, is the most familiar. Point slope is ideal when you know a point and the slope. For the line through 1, 2 and 3, 8, the slope is 6/2, which is 3. Using point slope and simplifying gives y equals 3x minus 1. The perpendicular distance from a point to a line is the absolute value of ax0 plus by0 plus c, divided by the square root of a squared plus b squared. To recap, slope is rise over run and equals tangent of the angle. Know the slope-intercept and point slope forms. Perpendicular slopes multiply to -1, and use the distance formula from a point to a line. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.